Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we talk about why 266k is trending. US employers added just 266k jobs in April as hiring slows. Debate over incentives heats up. The US added only 266,000 jobs in April, the government said Friday, far below the 1 million that economists predicted amid the COVID-19 vaccine rollout and gradual recovery from the pandemic. The unemployment rate rose slightly from 6% to 6.1%. Notable jobs gain in leisure and hospitality, other services and local government education were partially offset by employment declines in temporary help service and in couriers and messengers, the Labour Department said. Labour officials revised March gains down 770,000 from 916,000. Tough, it is still a huge drop off and will fuel fights over the federal approach to regaining the millions of jobs lost during the pandemic. Republicans says generous unemployment benefit pushed by the Biden administration and Democrats are incentivizing people to remain home instead of filing positions. The job report is a clear message to Joe Biden that his policies are not working. The Senate Republican caucus tweeted from its official account, "This is not the time to raise taxes. Unemployment bonuses paying people more to stay home than to work are the wrong idea. That's a disincentive to work." Others say workers remain leery of workplace conditions. The virus is still around or have duties at home such as looking after children. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi said Congress needs to back Mr. Biden's multi-trillion-dollar initiatives from physical infrastructure and human infrastructure, namely women and working parents. The disappointment April jobs report highlights the urgent need to pass President Biden's American Jobs and Families Plan. We need to take bold action to build back better from this crisis by investing in our nation, our workers and our families, the California Democrat said. There are signs of an economic recovery. Airlines are seeing more passengers as cities and attractions open up and baseball stadiums are opening their doors to more fans. But the job environment has also shifted dramatically under the pandemic, so some economists believe workers and employers are still sorting it out.